And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is the 19th of February, it's a Monday, and we are basically at London close. We're going to do the recap as always on GBPJPY, GBPUSD and gold. So let's start with GBPJPY. I didn't take any trade, but during the London session, exactly at the end of the first hour of the London session, I saw this clear setup. Price is breaking below, we can place a sell limit at this PSA. You can see it's about a 2/3 pips of drawdown, so even a 5 pip stop loss is absolutely okay, and it will move more than 20 pips. We know that for a 1 to 3 risk to reward we just need 15 pips. So yeah, basically that will happen over there. And after that I didn't see much throughout the rest of the London and the rest of the also New York. I didn't look at it that much. We can see that we have some price action. I mean, we have a further rejection. We can have probably like this PSA as interest, because that's where we can see multiple, I mean, the most reactions if we are looking for a specific price point. So anywhere over here, for example, if we see this break and retest, this one would probably be a winning trade because that's a 3 pips, 3.5 pips drawdown. If we count the spread, that would be around 4/something, so might be very close, but this is a possible winning trade, especially if we get activated a little bit later on, and then it will push slowly. It will take more than 90 minutes to go to the TP, which is 15 pips, and break even below. Below there wasn't too much of price action, and we had a time period where the volume was very, very dead. And I'm talking about this period, especially this one. And we're going to look at it on the other pairs mainly, because that's where I took trades. But yeah, just now, just after like the 10:30 a.m. Eastern, or like the 4:30 here in the Europe, that's where we had the most volume coming back. But below that, before that, it was very, very sketchy. So GBPJPY, one setup during London, possibly one another in the pre-New York time. So that's it. Let's go into gold. Gold, I think, yeah, I took one trade during the New York session. We can see that throughout the London one, it was very slow. You can see how price was ranging. This is basically the same setup that we saw on GBPJPY, but at the same time, it's here. So a little bit earlier than that, but price is just ranging. Price is not giving us anything. So you can see how long it takes. More than 2 hours just to move 20 pips. And below these lows, that's the only thing that I could see. Price is actually breaking below, but look at this volume. Yes, it will only go like 5 pips and then push down, but push down to around 29 pips. That's when I took my trade. My trade setup was taken over here. So I see the price is moving bearish, very slowly, yes. But I mean, the trend is bearish. We break below these lows where we got multiple reaction. Look at here, a little bit lower. I place a sell limit at these lows. You can see that probably would have been better to place it over here. That's because that's, as I was just saying, that's where we have most reactions. Would be activated and will only go 23 pips. I mean, even with my trade, it went exactly 20 pips. You can see 20 pips. And so stop loss at break even, and then it would retrace to break even. Price will go around 12 pips before pushing then down, and will be now a 30 pip movement from these lows. So you can see how slow, absolutely slow it was. Maybe now we're moving a little bit, but yeah, we can have this possible setup over here. And let's see on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is over there. Now it's moving quite nicely. So we were quite unlucky throughout the session. So this is when, at this time, is the same thing that happened on GBPJPY. So as I was telling you on GBPJPY, we had this break and retest, which happened at 10:05. Here, I was in this trade at 10:04. You see that, of course, it's GBP, it's the same pair, same currency. I got this, but the thing is that on GBPUSD, we got a little bit of a pushback around 4 pips. I got stopped out at 3.2, and then price would push back down into a winning trade. So that's okay. I'm okay with that. I got unlucky, and it's fine. I mean, I just got the worst part of the two setups. I could have taken the setup on GBPJPY and win. I took it over here and I lost, but that's okay. Then I took the second entry. Price was moving bearish. You can see I didn't take this entry. I took the next one. I don't know if this one would have been a win, would have been anything. So let's assume I take this entry. I think it would be stopped out right before going down, but I take my entry when price is breaking below the hourly, and I place my sell limit exactly at this lower wick. It gets activated with a very nice candle. Push-ups 3.2 pips, 3.1 pips because I get stopped out, and then pushes back. But even there, it would only go around 3 pips, 3.7, not even 5. I would have lost anyway. Just a little bit of unlucky London session, I would say. But I mean, I took my trades. Then at this time, that's when I think I took my trade on gold. Unlucky that it only got 20 pips. But then after seeing this price action in New York, a little bit later we get activated. We have this reaction area, and that's where I place my nothing. I placed my sell limit over here, but I just saw it going down and down. So when I saw it moving below the hourly, I used this retest area for a possible continuation. So I adapted. I moved my sell limit from here to there, and yeah, that's where I got activated. Only 1 pip of drawdown. The thing is this: I got really close to be TP, 9.4 pips. The TP would be over here, and then I see these 1, 2, 3 candles pushing up. Doesn't go to break even because I was already with the stop loss at break even. The thing is that I see this correction, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1-minute candles stagnant. So in this case, I don't want to risk it. I mean, I know I'm risking 0, but I am down 2 losses for the day. So why should I risk a possible loss, a possible break even, if I can take out 7.5, 7.3, 7.4 pips, which is still more than 2 to 1 risk to reward. And I mean, just being objective, why should I risk a flip? Yes, price might go down, but price might go up, because if we are in a no volume time and these candles are confirming that, then why should I risk that this candle go up there and then maybe push down? So I get stopped out at break even instead of at least a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So you can see that this is a 7.3 pips win and doesn't cover the other losses. But the thing is, afterwards price would give another rejection at these highs, and that's when you saw the spike in volume at 10:30 a.m. Eastern that I showed you on GBPJPY as well. That will go to 10 pips to touch my TP. Later on, it will actually break below. We might see a retest and continuation down, but for me, I mean, if I wasn't looking at it, okay, but I saw these times, and for me, that's not where I want to be in the trade. A lot of confusion, high volatility, but no direction, and then 0 volume, 0 direction. So that's not what I want. And yeah, I took it out. I'm okay. I know that I missed out on 7-8 pips, 7-8 euro, but that's okay. I would prefer to miss out on this than to miss out on the full one, you know. So I would prefer to miss out on 2.5 pips than to miss out on 7.5 pips. That's absolutely okay. Yeah, after that price will go and will push down a little bit even more, around 15 pips. Yeah, this one is very good. I like the entry because it's a perfect entry. And yeah, apart from that, that's it. This is just the 10 pip mark and the 10 pip TP that I had placed. If we go and look at the history of today, as you can see, I have a loss during the morning. The two losses on GBPUSD, a little bit more than expected because I mean 0.3 pips more, and a little bit unlucky as well, I would say. But then one win that almost covers the other two losses. So you can see that overall it's a 8.4 pips win versus a 6.3 pips win, a loss. But still, so I won more pips than that, but than lost. But with the commissions, of course, it's not good. Each one it's 0.7 pips of commissions, which is 2.1 pips. So that's why we are basically 1.4 pips of loss. So it's basically a break-even day. The thing is, yeah, absolutely, this month we are down 30 euros, and it's okay. Yeah, we're down 30 euros because the last week we were down 31, today -3. Yeah, but the setup is good. We could have been break even for the day, even with a win, because instead of 15, this is a 22, so it's a 7-8 euro more. And yeah, we got unlucky a little bit throughout the morning, and we missed on some setups like this one, but that's absolutely fine. We're not here for the money for during this period. Yeah, look at here how nice it is. Still 25 pips. We're not talking about any crazy amount whatsoever. Let me just adapt. I need to, yeah, this is a little bit too high. Okay, 25. Yeah. Okay. And yes, the thing is about the process and about the studying and about the keep practicing and keep executing, which is what I am scared the most. I didn't retrace all the way up. Let's see if we're actually getting some nice price action below these lows to close off the day. But yeah, for me, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow.